behind this beautiful Aventador SVJ Roadster. You guys saw teasers of this car. We were trying to release it a few days ago. However, we had a little bit of an issue. We had to make sure the car was good before finishing it up, and it's done now. It's a wonderful blue SVJ. This is a custom printed wrap color. It's a satin royal blue color. I'm going to show you guys why exactly we chose this color and not something that's readily available. Simply because this customer is Greek. He's one of our good buddies, and we went with the Greek flag theme. As you can tell, the SVJ custom sticker right here has the Greek flag colorway. We even replaced the Italian flag colorway that originally comes in the car, did the Greek flag colorway as well, which is blue and white. This car was originally white, now it's wrapped in this blue color. We took everything apart, of course, and we wrapped it meticulously like we always do. This car is also lowered on Novitec springs, so it is slammed, drives really, really good. And we have a custom set of 21-inch wheels right here. These are actually the same style wheels we put on the SF90, as you recall. Center lock, polished lip, and white centers. So really, really special. It's all sealed, no gap, as you can see. Fits perfect, drives perfect. We just took it out. It's about 92 degrees in LA right now, boiling hot. This car was also tuned by VF Engineering for us. It also has that RDB signature exhaust, so super loud. It sounds amazing. I think it's a perfect sound for this car. It's also tuned, makes a lot of popping, bangs, fires, nothing for this car. Absolutely ridiculous. No sound editing whatsoever here. This is all what you hear on the streets. We didn't also do much tunnel shots, nothing like that. So this is all like real-time, real sound. So that's what you're gonna get. It's obviously a Roadster. The top was up when we were filming, and then we put the top down too a little bit, but it was really, really hot. This car has a lot of carbon fiber all over it. The whole top end was carbon fiber and everything else. So really, really excited to show you guys this beautiful SVJ. We did that mint green one before. So hopefully we're gonna get these two together, shoot some of that. That would be really, really epic as well. So hope you guys enjoy this SVJ.
Tonight we are going to Universal Studios, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very excited, as you guys can tell. Me, Vic, Sarkis, a couple of good friends of ours. We are all going to have a good time. I'm very happy that the Horror Nights is back. We've been away from this event for like, I think 2 years. And so I was very, very sad for 2 years because we always look forward to this. We have a good time, we catch up a lot, we get away from work, we have a good time, and yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys want to come see us tonight, you guys will probably find us. We're probably going to be somewhere in the lot.
This video doesn't go live.
Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, this is gonna be done, and it's not. I forgot we're not live. But yeah, I mean we're gonna be there. Yeah, I wish you guys knew we were going today.
Make a post on your Instagram.
I'm gonna make a post on my Instagram. That's right. I'm gonna do it. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna have somebody do it. Joey Vids. All right, we have an S class in the back. So let's go to the back. Let's see what's going on here. Santos, I got your bolts. Papa John. S class bolts. I got them. Special delivery for lug nuts. All right, here's the S-Class, you guys. We have S-Class here. Santos already put the wheels and tires. They're balanced, they're mounted. We're gonna put the bolts on right now. And then Vic's gonna come from the new shop to the old shop to film this thing here, I guess. We're still doing a lot of work here, you guys. It is a regular business, open 6 days a week, 8 to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday, 8 to 3. Come visit us for all your automotive.
All right, guys, 2021 Mercedes Benz S580 right here. As you can see, we've been doing a bunch of these. We did the Maybach. We have another Maybach over there. This guy, RDB Wheels, 3-piece again. Sort of like the Maybach actually, but we didn't do the floating caps in the middle. And we also did this in brushed silver, so it goes with the white really nice. Car's also lowered. Drives really nice, honestly, still. These cars drive very, very well, even lowered on 22s. Some people have 24s, but that's a little too big in my opinion. This looks solid, very clean. You don't need more than this for a daily driving luxury sedan right here, especially with the RDB 3-piece wheels. So another 2021 Mercedes Benz. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this Cullinan right here. This one was one that we did a long time ago in a satin silver color. This one was all bodied out, meaning everything was one color. Satin silver spirit right there, satin silver full grille, everything. This is the original color. It's burnout gray. This is one of the first Cullinans I ever saw in burnout gray. It also has an amazing blue interior I'm going to show you soon. But yeah, we're taking the wrap off, as you can see. We have to remove everything to get the wrap off. That's why, you know, all these areas are very tough to remove because you gotta take it out. So we're gonna be removing the entire wrap. We're going to be painting all the chromes to burnout gray. We're gonna be changing the wheels to RDB signature 26s. So we're gonna be doing a full makeover on this thing. Let me show you the interior. See the side of the car right here? We took some of the wrap off. One of my guys took it off kind of not the proper method, so extra work now because there's adhesive left over, as you can see. This doesn't damage it, it rubs off, but we're gonna have to use a special spray to get rid of it. But yeah, I mean, look at this interior. We also did the door jambs, obviously, so we're gonna have to remove all that. But yeah, this has that beautiful blue interior. So this is gonna be burnout gray with blue, with a lot of color matching with the RDB wheels. Honestly, it's gonna be a good makeover from the satin silver, which is a very common thing we do. As you can see on the lift over there, that's Taiga's Maybach SUV that we also wrapped in satin silver. We're also going to be changing that to another color. So a lot of projects that we spoke about today on our channel. Pretty crazy to see all of this. Cullinans, Maybachs, Widebody's Corvette, Widebody Uruses, Widebody Audi R8, really crazy McLaren 720 over there. So a lot on this episode. That's what we do. Those 3 Ferraris over there I'm forgetting. But yeah, we've been working our asses off at the new shop. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give us a like. All right, guys, here at RDB, we show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So Corvette C8, you guys have seen this project. We've been working on it for a few months, actually, which is more than we like to do. Simply because this material of the body kit wasn't strong, wasn't good. It was reacting, it was bubbling up. Fitment was terrible, honestly. We had to fix a lot of stuff. I had to teach Luis how to fix the body kit, of course. And now that we have these crazy RDB wheels on, we also realized another problem that we did not see before, which was the wheelbase is actually not big. It's pretty small. We're thinking it's actually smaller than factory. When you turn this wheel right now, it hits actually the fender right there. So we can't drive the car, we can't film it for you guys. We are showing you kind of this teaser of it, even though it's not working out as planned. We want to show you guys this crazy project. Our guys put a lot of labor into it. Fully painted orange, of course, with all these gloss black accents, these crazy RDB gold wheels. I know it's a little bit crazy orange gold, but customer wanted it that way, and you know, he went all out. So we don't even have the lowering suspension on it yet. We got to really figure out the fitment of this thing before we could drive it and release it. The back is up right now, it's not even down, it has too much. This is a little too low, and the wheel might have to go a little bit more in, and we're gonna have to actually redo this whole fender area to make it work. So a lot more work we have to do, unfortunately. Sadly, I'm not happy with this body kit, but we're gonna make things right. We're not gonna just scrap it or anything like that. We gotta make it work, and that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. We're gonna be fixing up this Widebody C8.
Okay guys, so I know he's complaining about the body kit wasn't good enough. We had a lot of problems, but this is one of those we spoke on the last episode, the molded one. So we did like spend a lot of efforts, a lot of time to make this happen.
Okay, I'm stopping this right now because this is making everything hurt. So
We done.
just go away, man. Go away. Please
So
go away.
we worked
Go away. You
2
don't even
months.
know- The car doesn't drive.
We
You
worked
understand
the
that?
body shop, worked 2 months
Yeah.
hard every
Yeah.
day
Hard.
to make this happen.
Yeah, so
Doesn't
what
matter.
happened there?
But look how beautiful the line is. Look how beautiful it's molded. This is
That's
even.
that's a one-piece fender. We didn't mold that. We had to fix all the fitment, but we didn't mold it.
Luis, come here.
Oh, now it's the Three Stooges coming. So yeah, forget this car now. Okay, we're gonna have to fix it, unfortunately. But yeah.
And it ended up saying we molded. The white body kit again?
Yeah.
Huh.
So we have 4 Widebody Urus builds that are gonna start. This one just came in. This thing is very special because we're gonna be fully repainting the car. We're gonna be painting this blue Cepheus. It's a Lamborghini color. It's a lighter blue color, even though it's blue. We're gonna take everything off this car, windows, doors, everything's gonna come off. And we're gonna paint it blue Cepheus, wide body kit from 1016, wheels, you name it, gonna go on this. So a lot more projects. We showed you a lot of projects happening in the last episode, but we even have more coming.
How looks this one in my hand? Looks like a stolen. You put on my hands, looks like I stole it.
How much is that worth?
Huh?
How much is that worth?
This one? Like a 15,000 bucks, this one.
It's not.
No?
All right, guys. So the new Maybachs, I'm in most of the Maybachs. They all come with the Mercedes on the front and the back. We're gonna be changing that, obviously. So this is the hood one right here. Take this off. We're gonna put that. This will improve the front drastically. And then in my hand here, I have the light up. These are actually OEM from the factory that come on the side quarter panels. They light up. They have a little light around them. We were the first in the world to actually use this and put it on the trunk. So now we're gonna be putting this on the trunk. And also Mercedes Benz, the ones on the quarter panels, when you're driving, they don't actually stay on. So we're getting a lot of complaints about that. We're gonna figure out a way to have them stay on with the trunk. So the trunk quarter panels will all stay on when you're driving. We're gonna be painting the orange reflectors white. We're gonna be adding a little OEM trunk spoiler, painted also obsidian black. We're gonna probably be lowering it a little bit, and we're gonna be tinting it. So not too much stuff. It's already a very nice looking Maybach. Believe it or not, dealers are asking from $50,000 to $100,000 over sticker for this car right now. So this is a very, very hot car. So yeah, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna be doing this stuff on it, and you'll see it done on the next episode.
You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, it won't let him. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better.